shower diverter right here, which you normally pull up.
On this one, it's got a plastic hose connection under it.
So when you turn the water on, you pull up the shower diverter,
the water comes out underneath.
Most likely they had a plastic hose connector for the shower, which is no longer there. So it's simply a matter of getting this replaced with the proper type, and everything should work fine.